The Happy Forest Friends, a fun adventure. Once upon a time, in a forest not too far away, lived some special animal friends who loved playing together. Let's join them on their amazing adventure. Meet Rosie the rabbit. She's always hopping around searching for crunchy carrots. Rosie loves to munch on them and explore the forest. Here's Danny the deer. He's so graceful as he prances through the meadow. Danny loves nibbling on fresh leaves and exploring new places. Look at Sammy the squirrel. He's a little ball of energy, always chasing acorns and climbing trees. Sammy loves playing games with his friends. Hoo, hoo! It's Olivia the owl. She's the wisest bird in the forest, always watching over her friends. Olivia loves to hunt for mice and listen to the sounds of the night. Last but not least, we have Benny the bear. He's big and cuddly like a giant teddy bear. Benny loves relaxing by the stream and enjoying delicious honey from the beehive. One sunny day, all the friends met in the middle of the forest, ready for a big adventure. They were excited to see what fun awaited them. And so, with giggles and smiles, our forest friends set off to explore the wonderful forest together. Join them next time for more exciting adventures.